Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC and I build custom PCs to suit anyone's needs or budget. I also live stream all of my builds and repairs for transparency and educational purposes. So if you would like to get an awesome new PC and you'd like to see it get put together live, send me a message today. Alright, so this is just a really quick video tonight just for one of my customers who's looking to buy a budget gaming PC on a really tight budget. So what we've done here with this system is I've got an old AMD FX6300 6-core CPU. It's actually 3 cores and 6 threads, but AMD called it a 6-core CPU, so we'll call it a 6-core CPU. And we've put in a GTX GeForce 960 graphics card into this. So basically what we're going to do tonight is we're just going to quickly open up Fortnite and we're just going to see how it runs at 1080p medium settings, just to give you a rough idea as to how this game will actually perform. So we're going to launch Fortnite now. Someone's got to explain to me the pancake man. What's the deal with the pancake dude? I don't play Fortnite. I'm essentially old and not in the loop. I got no idea. Is it just like some crazy ass character someone designed? Does he have a story? Looks syrupy. So you can see the statistics up here in the top left hand corner of the screen. Just below RAM, that number there is the frames per second we're currently running at. So look, this is a 500 frames per second machine. No, it's not. You can't really say a PC does this many frames per second because it all depends on the settings that you run and all that kind of thing. And so what I found is that this is the optimal way to run Fortnite on this hardware, which is the settings we're going to use now. So we're just going to open up creative mode here. Just give it a second. Okay, so as you can see here, I should show you the settings before we have a look. So this is 1080p, no frame limiter, medium preset, low latency, DX11. So this is the ideal settings to sort of run the game on this hardware that we've got. So just watch the frames per second sort of as I run around. To move past elements that have more detail in it, the frames per second will go down. If we look up at the sky, you can see the frames per second spikes up. It's all about how complicated what you're running past or what's currently in view is to render. If it takes longer, if it's more detailed, it takes longer and the frames per second will drop. And if it's got less detail, like looking up at the sky, the frames per second will jump up. So like I said, this is just a really quick benchmark just to give my customer a little bit of an understanding as to how this PC will run. So this is a budget option, you know. This is not a high-end gaming PC. This is about as low a spec that I would want to play Fortnite with. I wouldn't want to run too much less than this. but this will give you at least like a playable experience, something to get you started with anyway. And my advice would be to save up for a much better rig, but anyway, this will get you playing Fortnite on a budget. Not $200, but you know, as close to it as possible. Don't mind my shitty gameplay here. I'm just running around the map while I'm talking. I have no aim, I'm just trying to get through different examples to show you how the game runs in different locations. Give you an idea of the frames per second you can expect with this kind of setup. So once again, this is an AMD 6300 FX processor. So it's a 6-core, 6-thread processor. Well, technically it's a 3-core, 6-thread processor. So, and we've got the GTX 960 in here with it, providing the graphics. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make this quick video, and I'll see everyone in the next video.